What is up, guys? Today just wanted to make a review video on what I learned so far in my journey in Forex trading for Begin Academy. So just really wanted to thank Sadali for putting this free course out here. Thanks a lot for putting your hard work and heart into this lesson to teach us for free. Thanks a lot. So I found this course. I searched on YouTube how to learn Forex for free, and I come across this video and click the link, and I'm really grateful and thankful that I found this course. The past 2 weeks in my journey, this course has taught me a lot about Forex trading, teach me how to open an account, teach me how to use the MetaTrader 4 and TradingView, how to place my first trade, set my stop loss, my take profit, the support and resistance, how to draw trend line, how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool. What else? It teach me about risk management, teach me about chart patterns, candlestick analysis. This course has every single thing you need to trade in Forex market, and I encourage you, any beginner out there who wanted to learn or trade in Forex, to join this course. It is absolutely for free, no charge at all. All thanks to Sarali for putting this out here. There's one more thing about this course. We have a Facebook group, where students can interact with each other, where students can ask questions and get the feedback from Sarali. So thank you very much for this free course, and I encourage you, any beginner who wanted to learn how to trade, this course has every single thing you need. And I'm grateful and thankful I found this course. Thanks.